Annyeonghaseyo Urban. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about 듣기 and 읽기 of chapter number 8. Question number 1. Thom next. Ne yung content. Gwa with. Kwange innan is relation. Khurim picture. Koro shipsyo select. Halmoni imnida. So our answer is at number 2. Question number 2. Thom next. Thano is word. Va with. Vemiga pisathan. Vemi is meaning. Pisathan is similar. Mal moot imnika. What is the same meaning word in answers? Yonse is actually age. This word we use with honorific format. So nai is also age, so this is our answer. Question number 3. Thom next. Thano is word. Phande mal is opposite. Mot imnika, what is the opposite word? Hwanbal hada, and opposite word is yamchon hada. Our answer is on number 3. Question number 4. Thom next. Chung is between, mitchul, underline. Chin bubun, the part. Marginal, better. Munjang. Sentence koro shipsyo select. Number 1. Omoni keso. Omoni is mother. Chongsu cleaning. Ha shim nida. Mother is cleaning. So this is our correct answer because hada format we add she. In consonant we have to add a she. So that's why this is correct. Number 2. Aboji keso. Keso is attached with respect. Changmun window. Tak shim nida. This is wrong because the correct is changmonal tak shim nida. Number 3. Halmoni keso shekal mandal shim nida. This is wrong. Haraboji keso kiga k shim nida, because the last is vowel, that's why we cannot add a. This is wrong. So our correct answer is at number 1. Question number 5. Thom next. Kal is paragraph. Ilko read, and neyung is content. Khaton got similar word. Koroshipshio select. Hanguke in Korea. Chashin boda is as compared to themselves. Nai age. Manan much. Saram is person. Nupimmal is a respected language. Sayung hamnida use. In Korea, mostly people as compared to themselves, if the age is more, then they use nupimmal. Nupimmal is a respected language. Corona and Chashin boda as compared to themselves. Naiga age. Mana is more. To already. Kajuk is family. Kachi together. Kakai is near. Khwange is relation. Te at that time. Phanmal short language. Sayung use. Hagi to themnida also use. And sometimes if the person is in age more than you, but in relation he is very frank with you, and a family term is very close, then you can also use a short language like Phanmal, Kurigo and Chashin boda as compared to themselves. Naiga Chokan is younger than in age. Saram that person. Ege Phanmal. Sayung hamnida use short language. And in Korea, as compared to myself, if someone is younger than me, then I use Phanmal short language. Hajiman, but naiga age chokoto, if there is a younger than you. Chom, but the first time. Chom is first time. Manna, meeting. Gona or Chinha is actually frank, friendly. Anand Saram, not that person. Nupimmal, respected language. Sayung Hea Hamnida, you must use respected language. If someone is strange for you and you meet that person first time, then you must use a respected language. So all the translation of this is, in Korea, if the person is more in age, then Korean people use a respected language, Nuphimal. But sometimes the person is older than you, but family terms and relations are very close, then they also use a short language. And for the younger people, they use short language. But if the person is first time you meet, then you must use a respected language. So go to our answers. Hanguke in Korea, Chinhan is frank saram, the friendly person and frank person. Nuphimal is a respected language. Sayung he, so mal hamnida, you must use a respected language if someone is frank with you. No, this is not the answer. Hanguk saram, Korean people. Sangde is category Nai in age category. Tara is different. Sayung use. Mal is language. Taram nida different. So this is our answer. In Korea, if the age category is different, then you must use different language. So this is our answer. Number 3, Naiga Orin is younger. If someone is younger in age, then Saram, that person, Chin Haji Anato, if he is not frank with you. Panmal, short language, Sayung Hamnida. This is wrong. If you are not frank with the youngers, then you cannot use Panmal, because this is strange, and first time if you meet a person, you must use a respected language. Khajuk Chorom. Chorom is similar. Similar family terms. Khakkaun is near. Kwange is a relation. In very close relation and like family terms, Naiga, age, Manamyon. If in the age someone is elder than you, Nophimal, you use respected language. Sayung Hya Hamdida, you must use. No, this is not correct, because someone is, if frank with you and family relations are good, then you can use also, although if the someone is older than you. Question number 1 and 2. Thom next. Thadko listen. Murme is question. Almajan better. Thedap answer. Khoro shipsho select.
1번.
아버지께서 키가 크세요?
Abaji keso, your father. Kiga, your abaji's height is tall.
1. 네, 아버지께서는 집에 계세요.
Ne, yes, abaji kesonan. Chibe keseo, my father is at home.
2. 네, 아버지께서는 키가 크세요.
This is our answer. Ne, yes, abaji kesonan. Kiga keseo, yes, my father is tall.
3. 아니요, 아버지께서는 회사원이세요.
Anyo no, abaji kesonan. Have savon is a company worker. Iseo, he is a company worker.
4. 아니요, 아버지께서는 네팔에 사세요.
Anyo no, abaji kesonan. Nepare saseo, my father is living in Nepal.
2번. 여동생이 몇 명이에요?
Yodong sang, your younger sister, Myotmyong Iyo, how many?
1. 학생이에요.
Hakseng Iyo, she is student.
2. 부지런해요.
Pujiran Heo, she is diligent.
3. 한 명 있어요.
Hanmyong is soyo, I have only one, so this is our answer.
4. 미얀마에 있어요.
Myanmar is soyo, she is in Myanmar.
3번부터 4번까지 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
Number 3 and number 4, Thu Saram. Thu Saram, two people. Mo or Dehe. Dehe is about. What about? Mal Hago Issamnika. What two persons are talking about?
3번. 이분이 딜로바 씨 아버지세요?
이분이 this person dilruba 씨 아버지이세요. This person is Dilruba father.
네. 그리고 그 옆에 계신 분은 제 어머니세요.
네, yes, 그리고 and 옆에 있는 on the side 분이 the person is 어머니세요. She is my mother. Now they are talking about 가족. So our answer is number 1.
4번. 동생도 니찬한 씨처럼 키가 커요?
동생도 your siblings 니찬한 씨처럼 is like you. 키가 커요. He is tall.
아니요. 제 동생은 키가 작아요.
아니요, no. 제 동생 my younger brother 키가 작아요. His height is short. So they are talking about 외모. 외모 is look.
5번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen. EOG is continuous. 말 language. 가장 is the most. 알맞은 better. causal object. 고르십시오 select.
푸엉 씨는 남동생이 있어요?
푸엉 씨는 남동생이 있어요. Do you have your younger brother?
1. 가족은 베트남에 살아요.
Number 1. 가족은 my family 베트남에 살아요. My family is living in Vietnam.
2. 남동생은 지금 게임해요.
남동생은 my younger brother 지금 now game 해요. He is playing game.
3. 가족은 지금 베트남에 없어요.
가족은 my family 지금 now 베트남에 in Vietnam 없어요. Not there.
4. 남동생은 없고 오빠가 있어요.
남동생 younger brother 없고 I don't have. 오빠 my elder brother 있어요. I have. So I don't have a younger brother but I have an elder brother. So this is our answer.